Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here, back out here in the oats field. This is where a couple videos ago we did the oats up as silage. And then we had left that roughly 5-acre piece of oats still standing for to harvest with the combine. So anyway, today's the day. We got the guy that does the custom combining coming over sometime today. I'm supposed to actually head over there around 11 to give him a hand just getting stuff set up. But yeah, so hopefully by early noon we will we'll be over here starting to harvest it up. So give you guys a little look at it. I know you guys have seen it before, but this is what it looks like now. A little bit different than you guys would have seen it last time. So this is just, we just planted oats, treated oats in the spring, the first week of June. And this is what they've become. Today is September the 17th, I believe. So this is probably our best spot, I would say, right here. It's got to be around the 3-foot plus mark. And this is definitely, I would say, the tallest stuff we have. But yeah, you can see so there's the pod. Once you get the shell off, you can see the seed there inside. So that's what we're looking for. That bad boy right there. So he's going to come, I believe he has a 20-foot head on it. We're going to try and get it down the blind line here and then through our gate. Hopefully everything's wide enough. If not, we'll just cut some of the crappy trees back there with the chainsaw. And he said it should take less than an hour to do these oats up. So, and then we're going to bale the straw up ourselves, and he's going to take some oats as payment for combining, and then we're also going to have him come back and do the spraying to kill the weeds with Roundup. So there's this whole field and then the field next door at my sister's place. So in total there's 20 acres that we need sprayed. So he's going to take oats as payment for combining and spraying. So that's not going to leave us a whole lot left over for ourselves to take back home, but that's all right. We don't need a ton of oats. A ton of oats. Get it? A ton. Anyway, but it'll be enough. So we'll feed that to the goats and horses and maybe a little bit to the cows. But some of it I might even use for deer bait. You just never know. So anyway, next clip probably is going to be us with the combine. Made her back to the field here. We got the combine all greased up, oiled up, fueled up. You know the drill. So I just brought this over just now. This is the plan, is to combine the oats and then take it from the combine hopper and put it right into the totes. My goats. Yeah. And then take these back to the house and then put them in the implement shed. So yeah, so we just got them speared onto the pallet forks, and this is their tractor. It's a Kubota M108X. It's actually a pretty nice tractor. It's one of the most basic ones probably that I've driven. You just put her in high, low, and you got 8 gears. It shows up on the screen right here. You got 8 gears in high, low, and then you got 8 gears in reverse. So joystick, hand throttle, foot throttle, brake, clutch, which on this tractor I guess you don't use. And then you got your forward, reverse, little LED or whatever screen here, shows you your speed. Got your AC, heat, radio, and then you got your screen down there, which just shows you which, if you're going forward or reverse. And then you got your fuel, temperature gauge, RPMs, all your other funky lights over there. Yeah. So I'm just waiting now for Dan to show up with the combine. He's bringing it across his property, and then we cut a hole in the fence between the two properties, and we're just going to, he's just going to bring it through the fence, because we didn't figure we'd actually be able to get it down the blind line here and then in this gate. Yeah, it would just be easier to come across the two properties, so that's what we did. And these are just the totes to fill up. So, good day, nice drying weather. It's, I don't know, it's probably somewheres in the 70s. I would say. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this little video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little combining clip. So we got all the oats. Well, he's just finishing up there now. Getting them all done up. So we ended up with 4 totes of oats, and yeah, and then he's gonna take the rest for part payment, and then we'll figure the rest out after that. So I'm gonna head home and take these wagons back and grab the gravity box for him so he can offload the hopper on the combine. And then I'm going to go back and grab the baler, and we'll start square baling, and we'll get her done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Ciao.